The skills that can make you rich before 2027. What if the biggest opportunity to change your financial future isn't a new job or a lucky investment, but the skills you choose to learn today? The world is changing faster than ever,
Huh?
and the people who keep learning are the ones who will succeed. The good news is that you still have time to prepare before 2027. The first skill is AI literacy. You don't need to become a programmer or a technology expert. You simply need to learn how to use AI tools to work faster, solve problems, write better, research ideas, and become more productive. People who know how to work with AI will have a huge advantage in almost every industry. The second skill is communication. No matter what career you choose, your ability to explain ideas clearly, listen carefully, and build trust with others will open doors that technical skills alone cannot. Great communicators often become great leaders. Next is sales. Sales is not about pushing products onto people. It's about understanding problems and offering solutions that genuinely help. Whether you're running a business, freelancing, or working for a company, knowing how to sell is one of the highest income skills you can develop. Another powerful skill is content creation. Every day, millions of people watch videos, read blogs, listen to podcasts, and scroll through social media. If you can create valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires, you can build an audience and create multiple income opportunities. Financial knowledge is just as important. Earning money is only the beginning. Learning how to budget, save, invest, and avoid unnecessary debt helps you keep and grow the money you make. Wealth is built through smart financial decisions over time. Problem solving is another skill that successful people master. The bigger the problem you can solve, the more valuable you become. Businesses and customers are always willing to pay for solutions that save time, reduce stress, or increase profits. Finally, never stop learning. The world will continue to change, and the people who stay curious and adapt will always have new opportunities. Spend just 1 hour every day learning a valuable skill. Those small daily improvements may not seem like much at first, but they grow into life-changing results over time. Remember, your future is shaped by the skills you build today. Start now, stay consistent, and by 2027, you'll be glad you invested in yourself. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments which skill you're going to learn first. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on success, self-improvement, and building lasting wealth.